I wish that I were. Really? Is that correct? I'm Teacher Mike. I help adults like you learn real English that they can use in their daily lives. Today, we are talking about the main ways that we use the verb wish. In English, we use the word wish when we want something to happen, but we think that it probably won't happen. Or we know that it is impossible for it to happen. And it's different from the word hope, because we use hope when we think that something really can and might happen. Whereas, again, we use wish when we think that it probably won't happen. When we make a wish about the present, we usually use subject, wish, that, past tense. For example, I wish that I had a car. Or, I wish that I lived near the ocean. However, when we use verb to be, to talk about a real thing that happened in the past, we say, I was. But when making a wish, we often say, I were. For example, I wish that I were fluent in English. Or, I wish that I were a bird. I wish I were is the traditionally more correct way to say it, but in modern English, this isn't very important, and it's usually fine to say, I wish I was. We say, I wish I were because of something called the subjunctive mood. It's not important for you to understand exactly what the subjunctive mood is. It's just important for you to understand that when we are talking about things that are unreal or imaginary, we often use were even when the subject is I. And when talking about ability, can becomes could. For example, I wish that I could fly. Or, she wishes that she could go back in time. And you'll sometimes hear people say, I wish to. But this is not really making a wish. This is just a very formal way of saying, I want to, or I would like to. When making wishes about other people, we can use I wish that, subject, would, verb. We use this one when we want someone to change their behavior, but we don't think that they will. For example, I wish that my husband would help wash the dishes. Or, I wish that my children wouldn't always make such a mess. When we make wishes about the past, we use subject, wish, that, past perfect tense. And this is another one where it isn't really a real wish. It's just a way to say that we aren't happy about something that happened in the past. For example, I wish that you had told me this sooner. That basically means, I'm upset that you didn't tell me this sooner. Or, I wish that I hadn't done that. That basically means, I did it, and now I feel bad about it. And like I said earlier, the word hope is a bit different from the word wish. So if you haven't watched it yet, I highly recommend watching this video right here, which is about the word hope. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.